Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Standard 10's History, lesson number 3, Applied History. Now already we have discussed some of the part of this lesson. And today we are going to end up this lesson by discussing the remaining part of the same lesson. Affiliated professional fields. Knowledge of history can be supportive in the decision making with regard to respective legal provisions and public policies in the following fields: museums and archives, preservation and conservation of historical site, tourism and hospitality, entertainment and mass media. Now let us see, we are discussing the affiliated fields, means related fields to the history, and what opportunities are available in this regard. So museums, archives, preservation and conservation of historical sites, tourism and hospitality. Hospitality means the proper manners of treating the guests, entertainment and mass media. Okay, so here in these fields we have plenty of opportunities. Okay, now in what way we are going to discuss, let us see. Every field mentioned here requires expert personnel with specialized skills. For example, architects, engineers, historians, archaeologists, museum curators, sociologists, archive management professionals, legal experts, skilled photographers, etc. So in this way, in these fields we need number of skilled people. For example, they have given architects, engineers, historians, archaeologists, etc. Okay. Of course, this is just a representative list. The help of experts from many more fields is required. These experts need to have adequate knowledge of the ancient sites, the historical background of the structural remains and artifacts. Now let us see, these are not only these skilled people, but the people having many other skills are required while studying a particular historical site. Okay. Projects in the field of applied history can create various opportunities for these professionals. Okay, so for these professionals, number of opportunities are available in the field of history. In this lesson, we learnt about the role of applied history in public training programs for understanding the importance of history for creating social awareness regarding the conservation, preservation of our cultural and natural heritage, using knowledge of history for this purpose to enhance the professional skills of people and to develop industrial commercial field to carry out preparatory work and plan for effective implementation of heritage projects, etc. So let us see that in this lesson we have studied about what is applied history, what are the different fields of history, and in what way we can preserve, conserve these historical places, or historical knowledge. So and in what way we can do it, what is our role, what is our responsibilities, what are our duties. It is essential to avoid vandalizing of historic and public places and to ensure that they are preserved for the benefit of future generations. So very important is we should not allow the historical places, historical even documents, whatever, to be damaged, to be misused or to be used in an improper way. It is very important that we should protect the historical sites. For example, if there is a fort, from the ancient times, it is our responsibility to protect it and not to damage it. Not to write something objectionable on the stones, of the walls, and not to throw rubbish here and there in the premises of that fort. So in this way, whatever historical sites are there, and not only historical sites, whatever present sites are there, it is our responsibility to see that all these sites are maintained properly, they are not damaged, they are not insulted, as well as they are not made dirty by human beings. Okay, thank you very much.